Yeah, my name is Chris Mason. I've been working at Andgar for about a year now, and I graduated summa cum laude from Bellingham Technical College for my HVAC degree. I love working for Andgar because of the employees, top to bottom. All the other techs don't hide their knowledge. They're willing to share it with any of the new guys, and it just really helps working here. My favorite story is a customer down in Anacortes. I went to his house, and his grandfather actually played with Babe Ruth. He had memorabilia all over his man cave, and it was kind of a really cool experience for him to go through everything and just tell me a little bit about it. Yeah, my tip of the day would be to change your furnace filter. The blower motor is like the heart of the system, so you need to keep that thing breathing properly. If you don't, it has possibilities of restricting it, making the motor work harder, and then you're going to end up costing yourself either a blower motor or more money in the end.